In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Huel discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Huel discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discount. So if you want to get this one with a 20% discount, all you need to do is just select this button right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code and you can apply it on your next order to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website right here, which is called Simply Codes. And here we have a list with other promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get some benefits. So if you want to get this one right here with a 10% discount, all you have to do is just select this button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy and you can apply this promo code on your next order to get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.